AI is transforming the professional services industry, delivering unprecedented speed and scale. It can analyze, summarize, and simulate insights in seconds. That is, tasks that once required teams of analysts. But for all its sophistication, AI still lacks the most crucial capability, that is, knowing when something is wrong. It cannot question assumptions, challenge conclusions, or say, this doesn't seem right. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. As automation accelerates, the role of human advisors is not disappearing, it is being redefined. AI may replace thousands of junior roles across consulting, audit, tax, and legal services. But senior judgment, ethical reasoning, and quality assurance remain irreplaceable. In a world where a single model can produce 1,000 pages of analysis instantly, the firms that succeed won't simply be the fastest, they will be the ones that think the deepest. Speed without discriminant creates risk. Insight without accountability creates failure. This is where the next generation of partners will prove their value. The most effective leaders will learn to orchestrate AI, blending computational scale with human intuition. They will integrate AI into workflows while retaining control of the narrative and the outcome. Because when AI produces the work, a human stands behind the decision. That is where trust and true professional value continues to thrive. Let's look into today's headlines. Amazon bets big on India to invest $35 billion by 2030. E-commerce powerhouse Amazon said that it would increase its investments by more than $35 billion across all its businesses in India through 2030. The Seattle headquartered company plans to spread this investment across what it calls its three strategic pillars, that is, AI-driven digitization, export growth, and job creation, besides business expansion. Earlier this month, Amazon had announced an investment of $12.7 billion in India to strengthen AI and web services through data center expansion in Telangana and Maharashtra. Microsoft to invest $17.5 billion in India's AI infra over 4 years. Microsoft has announced that it would invest $17.5 billion in India's cloud and artificial intelligence infrastructure, making it the US tech giant's largest investment in Asia. The company said that the investments aimed at expanding hyperscale infrastructure, embedding AI into national platforms, and advancing workforce readiness will be spread over 4 years, building on its $3 billion pledge made in January. The announcement follows a meeting between Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella and Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi. HFCL awarded $72.96 million OFC global contract. India's telecom equipment manufacturer HFCL has secured a substantial export order valued at $72.96 million for the supply of optical fiber cables, that is OFC. Through a statement issued, the company announced that the order will be executed through HFCL's overseas wholly owned subsidiary and comes from a reputed international customer, reflecting its growing footprint in the global telecom equipment market. The contract stipulates the optical fiber cable supply must be completed by November 2026, underscoring HFCL's capability to manage large-scale international deliveries on time. Qualcomm acquires Augentix to expand its Insight Platforms hardware ecosystem. Qualcomm has announced that its subsidiary Qualcomm Technologies has completed the acquisition of Augentix, a leading provider of low-power image signal processors and multimedia SoCs. The move marks a strategic expansion of the hardware ecosystem for the Qualcomm Insight platform, reinforcing Qualcomm's commitment to accelerating innovation in edge AI-powered smart surveillance for enterprise, industrial, and public infrastructure environments. With this acquisition, Qualcomm Technologies will offer a broader and more configurable portfolio of smart camera solutions. Apple and Google working together to make Android and iPhone switching easier. Google and Apple are reportedly working together to make switching between Android and iPhones easier. Google has reportedly released an Android Canary build that includes new work by both the tech giants to simplify switching between the ecosystems. As per the reports, the two companies confirmed that they are collaborating on a system to make it easier to transfer data between Android and iOS during the device setup process. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.